Hi guys, welcome to my new design video. If you don't know me, I'm Imo Silas, a graphic designer and a user experience designer. If you saw my last video, I made a video on the basic tools of Photoshop and how to navigate around using this tool. So what we are going to do in today's video is to design this poster. You can actually use this as a poster or you can use it as an Instagram post. Would you like to create a design like this for your business or for your personal brand? If yes, so let's go into creating this design. The basic tools you need for this video is Photoshop. So in the link below, you're going to download Photoshop and join us in the design. Welcome back guys. So if you have your PC and Photoshop, let's go into designing this. So um, first thing we are going to open is you open your workspace. How do you open this? You come to file, new, you set your dimension. If it's 9 by 9 or if it's 9 by 9 by 20 by resolution 2000, then you click OK. When you're done with that, you bring in your image. You go to your file, wherever you saved your image on your PC. You come here, you drag it into Photoshop. And when you drag it into Photoshop, now what we want to achieve is to bring in a new background into this image and then put a text behind the model. So put a text behind the model. So how do we achieve that? First what we are going to do is to crop the image. And how do we crop an image? In my last video I told you that the tools I use to crop images is pen tool. So you pick your pen tool so you can get the detail. You zoom in, you go to your pen tool, and then you pick it. You make sure this place is in path, not shape. Then you have to be a bit more detailed. Better it's best if you crop in the image other than cropping in the yellow background, because you don't want a background to interfere. Like I told you earlier, the reason why we are cropping this image is so that we can put a text behind this our model. So I'm going to so you have to be more detailed. I'm going to rush this up so that we so you select So when you're done with that, you first when you're done with that, you select by clicking here. Um, select by clicking here. Let's make this 2, and then click enter. So to do so we are to achieve a non-destructive design, we'll have to not delete we'll have to not delete the background, but click add layer mask to our image to remove the background we just deleted. So now if you notice our screen, now, the image is deleted other than the background. So how would you bring back the image and take out the yellow background? Is Control I. That is invert. That's how you invert an image. So let's brush this up. Let's use our eraser tool. Um, select go, select go, select go, select go, select go, select go, select go. Highlight this off. This is basically to remove the yellow backgrounds. Select that's part of it. So let's remove this too. As if we want to achieve a detailed design. Well, if you really want to achieve a detailed design, you run it with your polygonal lasso tool or your pen tool. But let's use a polygonal lasso tool for now, and remove that off you go. So now, yeah, there we go. So our next thing is, should we return the yellow background? With that, to achieve that, we are going to come here, down here, pick our rectangular tool, drag our rectangular tool here. So let's bring it to the back, and select the yellow we want. Should we use this yellow? Does it look good? Let's make it a bit darker. Okay, so cancel. Bring this guy down here. Control T to. Okay, so when we have that guy there, what we want to do next is, what we want to reduce this a bit. How do you achieve removing the color of the text and leaving the outline? How you achieve that is, you can either do it this way, reduce the fill, and then double click on the radio. When you double click on the radio, you add stroke to your design. You can achieve that. You can achieve it this way. So let's use it this way. Increase the size to 9 ppt, basically 9px. Change the color to white, and let's duplicate this. So so the one that's going to be behind this is, so let's make this 3. Bring this behind our model, and then the second one on top. Let's reduce this a bit. You can increase the spacing by dragging this, moving this to 80, and Then here we go. Move this up a bit. Part of. Let's fill part of this by Ctrl J to duplicate this. Send this to the back of the image. Increase your fill to 100. Fill here. Change the color of the text to white, and here you go. See what it looks like. That's basically how to achieve this. You select this, you be sure everything looks good, it looks visually appealing, because graphic design is basically an artistic expression. So it's bent on what the person working on it is bent on the idea the person or it's bent on the person designing it. What idea does he have for what he's designing? So we could write experience. Reduce this to like 70. Reduce this to like 70. Reduce this. Bring this down here, and then change it to white. Okay. Reduce it a bit. Then here you go. So however you want to do it, if you want to bring in your logo here, but that's basically how to design a poster like this. So here we go. That's how to design a poster like this. You can use this for Photoshop, you can use this for Instagram, you can use this as a poster, and you can use this as a DP or an album art. Maybe you bring in your signature, your logo, however you want, whatever you want to do to trademark your design, you bring it in, and there you go. So off you go. There you have your design itself. So that's basically how to design a poster like this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. In my next video, I'm going to take you through how to design a logo real time. You don't want to miss my video, so put on your notification, and I'm going to meet you next time, guys. Stay safe.